Obviously, he does not want to be petted, Momo. He wants the oranges. Well, he wants his oranges.
I rubbed all over his head and everything.
He's like, just give me the oranges.
Come in, let me touch him, I'll touch you. Let me touch you. Come here. Come here, let me touch you. Come here, let me touch you. You want an orange? You want an orange? Hey, look here. Look what I got. Look what I got. You want one? Let me touch you. Come here. It's nothing, I don't care. Thank you. Come here, let me touch you. Come here. Come here, I can't reach you. Just shut up, please.
Well, duh. Are y'all about done walking? Are you trying to buy her? Trying to bite her again. It's pretty funny. She'll give you an orange, I promise. I'm sorry, I didn't know she was going to make me lie to you. Momo, you obviously don't know I'm recording this, do you?
You're not recording. No, you're not.
Mm-hmm.
Don't bite me.
Make sure you bite her. It's pretty funny.
Hey.
He said, give me an orange.
Too old for that, y'all.
He still says no. Bless you. You sneezed right on her, didn't you?
Hey. Hey, boy. Hee haw. There's some more?
She's got more oranges.
Nose is running.
Well, yeah, he just sneezed. What do you expect?
His nose running?
I know. Like I said, he just got through running. What do you expect?
He